In front of me is iPad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can manage permissions. Begin by selecting Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy and Security. Following that, select one of your device's features or one of your apps and operate switchers next to apps or features available within to, for example, in my case, deny or allow photos access to media and Apple Music. You can also scroll down and tap on one of your apps over here. Then you can tap on Siri and search after Allow to Access at the top. Manage all of those options thanks to all of those switchers and go back. You can also scroll down and click on one of those options located under Settings for Websites, like Microphone. Then apply one of those options by tapping on the chosen one and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!